LeBron James. What's up, guys? It's me, Crash Test Joker. Me and Logix are here today, and we are on the quest to look for the spot where all the e-girls and goth girls hang out. Let's go. Hey, wait, it's over there. I see it. Gotta be quiet. Wait, did you bring the monster cans? Shit, I forgot. We gotta go back.
Okay, guys, so we're back. We got the monster cans, and we got the, I don't know. We got the monster cans at least. But we think we heard some hypercore music playing in the woods over here. So we think that there are some over here. We'll let you guys know.
Okay, guys, so it's been a few minutes, and now I'm smelling. Okay, it says here on this map, we are approximately 515 feet away from the hose. So, in the air, you can smell pink lemonade vape from a dispo. So, one would assume that the hose are nearby.
Wait, something. Crikeys, I think I heard something. Let's go.
Oh my god, guys.
Okay, guys, so we just stumbled across this weird bridge. We don't know where it is, but it does look like they would be taking Instagram photos here because it kind of smells like incense.
You can almost smell the daddy issues.
Oh my god, guys, so we found this bench, and it looks like a place where an e-girl or goth girl or an alt girl would take Instagram photos. I don't know about you, but Kim, what do you think? I think, oh my god, is that an abandoned building? What do you guys know?
Okay, guys, so we think we found an abandoned building that has some graffiti that is not theirs, but they take Instagram photos next to it anyway. So we'll let you guys know, but we think we found one.
Okay, guys, so we just went over there, and it was private property, so we were not able to go over there. Security did chase us, but I just happened to not get any of it. Like, I threw something at him, I don't know.
Okay, guys, we did just realize it is also golden hour, which means that they could be out here taking Instagram photos. So there's a higher chance we could run into them.
Okay, guys, so we just found this random box. Cameron, what did you find?
Yeah, so it appears that we have found some jewelry that we were selling. Which is not here, but we are not entitled. So we're gonna
Hi!
Okay, guys, we just wrapped up our search, and we did not find any e-girls or goth girls or anything. But hopefully they're still out there, you know. We heard them, and we were tracking them. We just could not find them. But yeah, that sucks. You know, we'll try next time. Maybe next time we should have played some Alex G or some shit. I don't know.
2, 1. Thanks for watching.